morning, guys. It is 6:50 a.m. and I'm in Austin, Texas right now. I'm actually on a rooftop. Okay, guys, look at the city view. Look at it. It's so freaking pretty. But right now I'm just gonna be sitting up here on my phone for a little bit because I've been awake since like 5 a.m. I'm also look really tired. Like, I have no makeup on right now and I woke up about like an hour or two ago, so bear with me.
Your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby.
So I tried to do the snappy thing that people do with the change their clothing. I really didn't know how to do it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I tried it and yeah, I got really awkward and knew that was kind of cringy, but this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing Levi's with a Target shirt and a headband.
You got up at 6 o'clock. Was not gonna do
5 a.m. actually. Because I woke up out of nowhere.
You didn't wake me up and you just left me here and you went up there and watched the sunrise.
It was so pretty though.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Please do it. Be strong. Oh, that was good.
Okay, remember this building for later. I talk about it and yeah.
What's wrong? You've been asking, but I don't have an answer. How come? I'm still thinking, let's pretend to fall asleep.
That looks like an owl. So that building I said earlier to remember, yeah, this is it now. So we went in there and they said,
hey, the wait is about 35 minutes.
And we're like, okay, we can wait for 35 minutes. We ended up waiting 2 hours for really bad food. Let me just tell you that. We wasted $75 on rubbery chicken, cold chicken, and then also nasty shrimp. You know, I'm not gonna complain because it's food and a lot of people don't have food and all that. But dude, I swear, when you put $75 on food, it should be good. So if you ever go to Austin, I wouldn't recommend eating there if you wanted to eat anywhere. Oh, welcome. That's really cute. There's a little house in here.
You look scary because it's blurry. All right, ladies, let's get down to business.
Oh my god, let me lead you out to my backyard. Huh. Oh, got you. It's a fake door. Ooh.
There's the bathroom at?
Look, it's the Pixar lamp. Oh, wait. Ew.
It was.
So we ended up going to Target. Nothing interesting happened, but I found this really cute Shiba Inu and show you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. All that film.
Yeah, take a bite. Yeah.
I gotta show what I'm eating.
Am I zooming in?
Oh my gosh, Lindsay.
I ran. I jumped, whoa, into there, and I hit that.
Dude, look at the dip.
Okay, let me explain what. Oh man, that was bad. I'm surprised my camera didn't break. So we're playing cornhole, and I had the smart idea.
Let me just pitch it like a baseball.
I hit it with the beanbag, and it hit the camera so hard. The camera slid across the ground. I'm happy the screen was up because. Hit me up. Leave me on the ground. Just text. No. You got lotion? With me? Style.
Okay, my hair, a mess, but we're not going to talk about that. It is 10:02 p.m. We're at the gym right now, but I want to get a workout in, so I'm not going to film that much. But yeah. I look disgusting. What's up? It's a day later. I'm editing this video. I left Austin yesterday, and I kind of noticed when I was editing this video, I didn't do an outro, so here it is. So the title says I'm moving to Austin, Texas. No, I'm not. In the possible next 1 or 2 years, I might because of college, and that's another thing. This video, I went to Austin, Texas for 1, spring break, and 2, I went for a college tour. I wasn't feeling well when I was leaving yesterday, so I didn't do a outro at all. And yeah, so the quote of the day is somewhere on the screen, and then also the song of the day is Borderline by Tame and Impala. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time I post.